Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Dan Blanchard, episode 94 of the Dear Granddaddy Vlog, a teen, parent, and educator advice column. So I've got somebody who wrote into me here, and he said, Dear Granddaddy, what can I do to make studying more fun? And that's Troy. Okay, Troy. I think all of us struggle with the fun studying part. Okay, I think every one of us can probably think of more fun things to do than studying, right? But here's the deal. If we want to get ahead in life, we got to do a little bit extra. And that little bit extra does include studying. It's just how it goes, right? So how do we make studying more fun? Well, we can listen to music. Okay, as long as it's not too distracted. Okay, if it's too distracting, then don't do that, right? Speaking of distracting, also cell phones, if they're ringing, going off, buzzing, vibrating, whatever, that's very distracting. So you might as well just turn off your cell phone, okay? So you don't have those distractions. But if you could do something that's that's a good distraction, that brings some joy, like some light, soft music, then yeah, whatever, go for that, okay? Another thing you do is you can schedule breaks, okay? If you can use your time wisely and you think this through, and you schedule, let's say, some fun activities in between studying, all right? That'd be pretty cool because then eventually your mind will start associating fun with studying. And that'd be a good thing because you'll think of the whole studying thing as just more fun. Okay, you may not even know why, but you'll be doing it, all right? So, I also want you to think about the long-term benefits to studying, okay? Success comes from like the superpowers of delayed gratification. So what I want you to do is I want you to Google the marshmallow test, and I want you to look it up and read all about the little kids that that didn't go for instant gratification, that did delayed gratification, and sacrifice now for the bigger reward later. Okay, definitely check that out. I think you'll learn a lot, and then studying falls right in that delayed gratification and bringing the bigger rewards later. Okay, so I guess in the end, what I want you to do is I want you to rearrange your environment so that studying becomes more enjoyable, and rearrange your thinking so that studying becomes more fun and rewarding, even if it is down the road. Well, anyways, I hope this episode 94 was helpful. Click on the link below to read the whole article, the whole blog, and definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel when you're down there. Check me out at danblanchard.net, granddaddystickers.com, or anywhere else on the social media internet, and I'll be back real soon, episode 95. Take care now.